It's amazing what can happen to me now.
Vader.
Vader. That's awesome, dude. That's so awesome, Vader. So I'll get your cell phone tonight, and I'm putting Vader on there.
Candy cane.
That would be good, but I don't have.
Oh no, he lost his candy cane.
What happened to
I
your?
lost it last night.
Yeah.
That's what he said, but you'll get a phone. It's all good.
I'll get a new one.
What am I supposed to ask this?
You look good standing there with that and a beer in your hand. I'm not gonna lie.
See it? No, don't.
Fucking Tunger looks good. He's got.
Oh, we have a picture.
It's recording, so we got it.
Jaden Stern. This is my buddy right here. That's Jaden. Me, I'm like this. I'm done.
Shocker. Horse, but they won't put this shit on YouTube.
It's a little too big.
He's recording, dude. We gotta do this shit.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. But I got 3 minutes worth.
No, it's coming. You gotta
And
go
we're
up here,
into the
Tyson. Tyson, go up here.
Go! That was a dick move, but it was good. Keep going, buddy. You can do it. Fuck. That ain't nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Sprinter, let's go.
Sprinter, come on.
You're gonna do it.
He's doing it. He's doing short.
You're not.
We're both fucking.
You're not a sprinter.
Well, you're probably not drunk as I am, but.
Okay.
I'm sorry, dude. I can't help it.
Up again or what?
If you can take that, there's about a beer in there.
All 3/4 left.
There's about a beer in there.
A beer.
At least I didn't fuck you like I did the
There's
Justin.
some.
Oh.
You can do it. Justin had it almost gone and he kept pouring.
Yeah, then I fucking feel more colder and colder beer coming down. I'm like, what the fuck?
Sprinter had it going, but then fucking Tunger had to pour beer to it.
Dude,
But I got about a minute
He had a
left.
whole beer too. This was completely
Bucket.
full when I walked out here.
And he did get tongued in the ear to get in our bromance, by the
Yes,
way.
but we didn't record it.
That's good. It's recording now.
Here comes the dick. Yeah, take it. Yeah.
There's an honest dick.
He even got it done too. Yeah, he got it done.
All right, bromance, bitches.
Yes.
Your dick actually.
Yeah, it was.
His was out.
Damn it.
There's horse, bitches.
Shocker. Yes, Tunger. Sprinter.
I'm Vader.
And you got a long ways to go.